Good morning, all of you. Today we'll discuss laws of reflections of light of class 10th physics. Now discuss the law of reflection of light. कि reflection of light के क्या law है? There are two laws of reflection of light. First law and second law. Now discuss the first law of reflection of light. This is M dash is a mirror. M dash is a mirror. This line is vertical line या perpendicular to the M dash is the normal. Its name is normal. And a ray of light falling on the mirror, name indicated is OA, making an angle I. This is angle of incidence. And the ray of light is also reflected in the same medium and making angle R is also name is AB. This is reflected ray. Reflected ray. This is normal. This is normal. Animations of this point. MM dash is a mirror. Mirror, what is the mirror? The one part of the mirror is also reflecting, other part is obtuse. This is surface, dotted line, this line is also obtuse part, this surface is also reflected. This is reflected part, this is obtuse part. A ray of light OA is also fall on the mirror, and ray of light is also reflected in the same medium. OA is the incident ray, AB is the reflected ray, and this line AN is the normal. AN is the normal. Now discuss the first law by the diagram. Means incident ray. Means incident ray, reflected ray और normal. First law क्या है? According to first law, the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. All lie at the same point. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie at the same point, same plane. This is called first law of reflections. Now discuss the second law. The I is the angle of incidence, R is the angle of reflections. So it means angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflections. कि सेकंड लॉ क्या है रिफ्लेक्शंस का? कि जो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस है वो किसके इक्वल होता है? एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शंस के इक्वल होता है. दिस इज द सेकंड लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शंस की एंगल ऑफ आई इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ आर. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is the second law of reflections. Now again discuss first law. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie at the same point, but in the normal angle of I is equal to angle of R equal to 0 degree. कि जो एंगल बनता है रिफ्लेक्शंस और इंसिडेंस का वो कितना होता है? 0 डिग्री होता है. तो इट मीन्स incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. This is the first law. Now discuss second law. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflections. Angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. This is the law of reflections. Laws of reflections. Please note down in the notebooks. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icons.